Hi, welcome. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to write a C program to print the even numbers from 1 to n using the for loop. Okay, so let us see the logic for this. So if your number is said to be an even number, that should be divided by 2. That means what? You should get a remainder as 0. So you know the purpose of modulus operator. You know the modulus operator will return the remainder. So if you get the remainder as 0, then that number is said to be an even number. Example, I am taking 2. 2 modulus 2. If your 2 is divided by 2, then you will get the remainder as 0, right? So that is going to be an even number. So let us take 3. 3 modulus 2. So 3 divided by 2, definitely you will get remainder as 1. So that is not an even number. So likewise, if your number is said to be an even number, that should be divided by 2 and the remainder should be 0. So that is a condition. So since we are going to print all the numbers, all the even numbers from 1 to n, so we are going to make use of this for loop, which we discussed in detail in previous videos. So inside that for loop, I'm going to write the condition. I'm going to take the number I is going to be my number here, so I'm going to take that I and I'm going to divide it by 2. If the remainder is equal to 0, then I'm going to print that as an even number. Else it will go to the next number. Likewise, it keeps on going. So that is the logic. So let us start writing this program. So first, hash include stdio.h. So next is my main function. Next, so we're gonna use how many variables? Yes, n is there. So first let us declare that n. So n is gonna be our stopping point. Okay, first you need to get this n from the user. Right? Then on seeing this message, the user will enter it and I'm going to capture it by using the scanf. So %d is the data type specifier for integer and I'm going to capture it and I'm going to store it in the address of n. Okay, that's it. Next, here comes my for loop. So reason why I am going for loop is I need to print all the even numbers. So I'm going to repeat the process n number of times. So whenever this condition comes, we will be going for the looping, right? Okay, here starts a for loop. For my for variable int I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to up to what? Up to this n. Okay, n I plus plus. So inside the for loop, we need to apply our condition. What is our condition? A number is said to be even number means it should return the remainder as 0. So here I am checking. If I want to check the condition means we know we should go for the if statement. If this number modulus 2 a number modulus 2 equal to 0. Why I am putting double equal to? Here I am comparing. If you put single equal to means that will be assigning. If you put double equal to means it will compare it, right? Double equal to 0 means if this condition satisfied, it goes inside this loop. I mean inside this block, right? Here I am gonna print of %d comma that number. Okay. If this if block is failed means it will come out of this if block and it will goes to the next iteration. Example, let us see. First it comes over here and it will ask a user to enter the n. Okay, user will enter, say like example 5. So it enters the for loop. I is equal to 1, that is the initialization, right? So I is equal to 1, then it will check the condition. I less than or equal to 5. Yes, true means it will go inside the for block. So inside the for I have written if. So again it checks the condition here. I means 1 here, right? 1 modulus 2 equal to 0, whether it will check. No, in our case it fails, right? So it doesn't enter inside, it will come outside. So outside there is no command, so it goes to the next iteration. Now I will become 2, condition satisfied. It enters here 2 modulus 2 equal to 0. Yes, condition true. it goes inside, execute, then come out. Likewise, it keep on executing up to this n value, right? Okay, since I have used int main, I need to return 0. Now let us save our program and check our execution. Since it is a Linux based computer, I am using the GCC compiler. So the compilation command is gcc space your file name .c. Okay, we don't have any errors. Now let us run our program. Okay, it is asking me to enter the value for n. Okay, I am giving 10. So see, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 has been printed. If you want to print it in the new line sprints, go back to your program. Here in printf, just give /n. Now save it again, come back, compile it, then run it. Again, I am giving 10. See, it printed on a new line. Thank you.